Hello students, let us continue lesson number 13 and the topic is winter. Winter is a cold season since the sun rays fall diagonally and occasionally snowfall, so the temperature drops in the northern plains and the Himalaya mountain region. The area of northern part of Gujarat experience more cold than other part of the state. Days are shorter in this season. Then summer. Summer is a season of tropical heat. Temperature rises very high as sun rays fall vertically during these days. Temperature remains low in the area near the sea coast in comparison to the continental part of country. Dry and hot humid dry and hot winds blows in the noon time, which is called loo. Northern part of Gujarat and western part of Rajasthan experience more heat during this season. Days are longer than the winters during this season. Monsoon means rainy season. Monsoon is a season of rain. The southwest winds flowing from the seaside are humid. These winds bring rain. One of the current of these wind advances above the Arabian Sea to Kerala, Maharashtra, Gujarat and central part of India. While other current of these winds advances towards the Ganga Plains through Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Island and eastern India. When both the winds currents advance, they meet with each other and bring rain to the western Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, and eastern Rajasthan. With the advent of rain, the peasant means farmers, are activated to do agriculture work. When winds are obstructed by mountains, they give more rain. The rainfall in Gujarat starts from the second or third week of June and by first week of July. It arrives all over Gujarat. Gujarat does not have large mountains in the way of these winds, so less rainfall is there. Since most of the cultivation of India is dependent on rainfall, so it is considered that good monsoon means a large crop in agriculture. This season is very important for agriculture. Now, children, one activity is for you. Find out correct options of seasons and festivals from these blanks in the bracket. Uttarayan, Dashera, Dhuleti, Janmashtami, Christmas, Sharad Purnima, Cheti Chand and Raksha Bandhan. Then seasons are written over here. In front of them, you have to show which festivals are being celebrated. So this is homework for you. Next, retreating monsoon wind season. Winds blow from land to sea in this season. It is seen that this condition is absolutely opposite to the monsoon season. These winds blowing from northeast blow from land, so they are dry. Hence, they do not give rain. Sky is clear without clouds in these days. Temperature increases gradually, which adversely affect the human health. Temperature starts decreasing as October ends and semi-cold is experienced in the early morning of November. Since these winds pass over the Bay of Bengal, they are humid and gives rain in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh situated on the eastern side of India. Distinct difference of season is experienced in the climate of India. Due to these peculiarities, generally it is called monsoon climate. Now next topic is vegetation, types of forest. Various types of plants and grass is seen in our surrounding. Some of the vegetations are thorny, while some are beautiful with flowers. Some trees are dense with leaves, while some are short and with sparse leaves. Different types of vegetation is found in the different regions. Climatic difference is responsible for this diversities. Vegetation is divided in the basis of climate. Precipitation is the main cause for this diversity of vegetation. The types of forest are as follow. So, first one is tropical rain forest. Tropical rainforests are found where there is more rainfall. The trees of these forests are so dense, thick, that the sun rays cannot reach the surface. Variety of trees, creepers, and ferns are seen there. Autumn season does not affect all the trees at once but affect at different times in a year, so trees appears lush green. Autumn season does not affect all the trees at once, but the effect at different times in a year appears lush green. These types of forest are found in slope of Western Ghats in the form of strip and in Andaman and Nicobar Island and in some part of northeast India. Mahogany, rosewood and wicker etc. trees are seen here. Next is tropical deciduous forest. Majority part of Indian land is occupied by this type of forest. Trees of these forests are less dense. They shed leaves during autumn season, so they are known as an autumn forest. Trees like sal, bamboo, mahodo, neem, etc. are seen in these types of forest. Next is dry and scrub forest. This type of forest are seen in the region receiving less rainfall. The trees are thorny here. Trees like cactus, kher, palm, acacia, jujube are the main trees. These forests are seen in Rajasthan, Haryana and on the slope of Western Ghats and Gujarat etc. Children, you can see map of India, natural vegetation on page number 85, 13.3, India natural vegetation. So please go through this map. Now, children, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.